this topic, not giving up. So in meditation, in mindfulness, we use mindfulness on how to learn to stay the course instead of giving up so easily. Of course, there are times where we need to shift our direction. We need to change. We need to maybe just drop a project, no longer pursue it, or leave a job because it no longer works for us. But sometimes, and maybe most times, we get discouraged quite easily. Maybe voices in our head, analyzing, judging us. And so really the invitation is, how can we use mindfulness to help us just remain calm and steady, not to be so easily discouraged, not to easily give up. And so I'd like to just invite you to come to sit in a comfortable position. And of course, for you, it may be nighttime for you. And so feel free to lie down if you wish, to just maybe feel more relaxed. If you just want to use meditation to help you sleep better. So I'll be doing sitting up. And so closing the eyes if you wish, or just keeping them open, softening the gaze, or just looking away to the window outside. And just checking in with the body, noticing any tension that may have built up throughout the day or the evening. Maybe any tightening in the body around the chest area or the lower back, or sometimes around the pelvic area. Maybe bringing a sense of kindness, gentleness to whichever part of the body that may be holding some tension. Even maybe the neck area, the face. And just breathing into that sensation that you may be experiencing in the body. Breathing in kindness, breathing out kindness. And allowing the mind to just focus on certain parts of the body that may have been, going through a lot. Just breathing into that sensation and just visualizing breathing out from that spot that may be tight for you. And just allowing the mind to just relax into the present moment. Giving yourself space to just be in the moment. Not always rushing, thinking, planning. And there may be thoughts coming in the head, wondering what's going on, thinking about the day. Just allowing the mind to just come back to the present moment, be with the body, feeling the body, feeling the weight of the body as it sits on the chair, feeling the legs, the hands, just being conscious that the body exists. So some thoughts might come through the mind. Oh, I wonder when this will end. Should I move? Should I open my eyes? Should I check the time? So whenever thoughts like that come, distracting thoughts, discouraging thoughts, just noticing them and just bringing the mind back to the body. Let me come back to the body. Or maybe there's some anxious thoughts, or maybe some unhappy thoughts. And it's okay. And just acknowledging those thoughts. It's okay to have pleasant thoughts, unpleasant thoughts. Just bring the mind back to the body, feeling the body. So appreciating that life is not always smooth sailing. And we will have thoughts that really bother us. We just have to bring the mind back to the body, or to the breath if you prefer. Focusing on breathing in, breathing out. Or the mind may be wandering a lot. Being very irritating, annoying. It's okay. Just saying it's okay. And let me come back to the body. And so at any point in this meditation, you might feel like giving up, or realizing that you find it hard to maintain a consistent practice. And it's okay. With mindfulness, you can always come back anytime. So each time the mind tells you to stop meditating, the mind tells you to get up and do something else, just bring the mind back to the body, refocusing, re-engaging with the present moment. So not giving up, and just bring the mind back to the body or the breath each time you feel like you want to stop the practice. By the way, it's very normal to feel discouraged, even in meditation. So here we're learning to cultivate the capacity to just stay the course, not run away, not avoid, but to be just in the present moment. Or if you're feeling sleepy or feeling impatient, zoning out, wondering if meditation is for you, or maybe saying to yourself meditation is too hard, the mind can't stay still. So each time thoughts like these come to mind, just bringing the mind back to the body, to the breath, refocusing, shifting the attention. And now still staying in the practice, focusing on the body, I'll read you this poem about not giving up. So the title is I Bend. I Bend by Selena Odom. I bend, but do not break. I've been lost, but I'm not a loser. I'm a wreck, but I'm not total. I'm fractured, but not broken. I failed, but I'm not a failure. I've fallen hard, but can get up again. I'm isolated, but still I'm free. I have been destroyed, but will rebuild. My heart is broken, but you will mend. See, no matter how close I come to breaking, I just continue to bend. So, and I'm just allowing those words to sink in. No matter how close I come to breaking, I just continue to bend and don't break.